What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I have some really exciting news for you. The boss let me use the shop truck today, but under one condition. I need to bring it back better than what he gave it to me. But nevertheless, let's go to the store, pick up some items, get this cleaned up, and let's enjoy the cruise. So a couple things to keep in mind, you guys, when approaching this wash. We need a really good and safe soap to wash that stainless steel finish. We need something to touch up the ride once we're done washing it, and some accessories that are gonna help us safely scrub down the surfaces, leaving us a nice clean finish. So the first choice for today is gonna be that Meticulous Matte Auto Wash. Why? Because I want something with zero wax incentives, but also leaving a nice clean finish. And that's what Meticulous Matte is gonna help me deliver with any matte surface, whether it's a vinyl wrap, paint, or that stainless steel finish that CyberTruck has. This is gonna help me achieve that nice clean finish. Once we're done washing the surface with our Meticulous Matte Auto Wash, I'm gonna be moving along and touching up the ride after with my Meticulous Matte Quick Detailer. Why? Because I wanna make sure I'm getting rid of any leftover water spots, any residue, or even if those birds come along after I'm done washing my car and they make their messes. This is what's gonna help me achieve that nice clean finish once it's all said and done. And some accessories to help me achieve that nice safe finish would be my Megalodon drying towel. I need this because it's a big truck. I need to dry the area fast. This is what's gonna help me to do that really quickly and efficiently, and some premium microfiber towels because we gotta clean out the surfaces. That's all we need. So now once we got our material all sorted out and picked out, now it's time to rinse off the surface, foam it up, and start scrubbing. It's pretty simple from here on out. So I'm getting my ProFlow paired with my snubby, gonna rinse off every single loose debris that I can before I foam it up. Then we're gonna foam it up and then begin the contact wash. Stay tuned. So now we're done rinsing off the car, all that loose debris, because it was pretty dirty. Now it's time to get our Meticulous Matte soap with our big mouth foam cannon and squeeze about 4 ounces in here. I'm going heavy with the soap today because, like I said, it's been raining all week here in Southern California. And honestly, this thing was disgusting. So I went with 5 ounces, that's 5 squirts, into my big mouth foam cannon, putting back on the cap, foam it up, scrub her down, rinse it off. That easy, you guys. Stay tuned because you're gonna see the transformation on this truck. So now that we're done foaming the car, we let it dwell on for a little bit, slightly a little bit, only because I wanted that thick foam to bring down any other loose debris from and after that rinse process. Why? Because I want to ensure myself that I'm washing this as safe as possible, because this is the shop truck. So if it doesn't get right, they're gonna chew my off, you know what I'm saying? So let's get it done right the first time, even though it might require an extra step or two, but that's fine. Because when you do it right, you only gotta do it one time, you know what I'm saying? And if you're asking yourself, what tool am I using right now? This is gonna be our wash mop. This is extremely useful because obviously you guys can see that I'm not 7 feet tall. I'm not 6'5". I wish I was though. So this allows me to reach in areas, especially if they're higher from the ground. With all I gotta do is just literally twist it to extend it, or come close if I'm doing close quarters. But obviously I'm doing the roof and the top, so I'm just extending it at max level and just cleaning every single surface that I usually can't reach on the regular. So as you can see, we're done rinsing it off. We're done cleaning it. All I need left now is the drying part. And I'm doing that with the Megalodon towel that I got from the store, you guys, because I'm ensuring myself a nice dry, no streaks left behind. The fact that this absorbs plenty of water makes my day and job a lot easier, you guys. I literally just have to put this on the surface, pressed against with the slight amount of pressure, and just drag it along the surface. And as you can see behind me, nothing but a clean, dry finish. And you know how hard is it to get that streak-free dry, but everything's achievable with the right product, with the right tools. And this is why I'm constantly using this Megalodon towel day in, day out. Let me finish drying the rest of the truck. I'll come back to you guys so we could finish it off with our meticulous matte quick detailer. Give me a second, let me finish. I'll get right back with you guys. And if you're asking yourself, well, how did the CyberTruck get that low? It comes with air ride suspension. Has about 4 different modes: high, medium, low, and entry level. So we obviously had to drop it down to entry level because God didn't bless me with 6'5" of height, but He did bless me with these awesome hands that know how to wash a car, thankfully. Shout out God. And yeah. Just like that, you guys, we're all said and done with the shop truck today. I'm just touching up the areas with my meticulous matte quick detailer. Why? Because I want to make sure I get rid of any kind of, I want to make sure I get rid of anything I might have missed with the car wash process. That's fine. It's normal. We're human. Mistakes happen. This is why we just have the right tools and equipment to make sure we fix those mistakes when they occur. And that's with my meticulous matte quick detailer paired with that premium microfiber towel that I was talking about. If you like anything you've seen in this video today, from the quick detailer to the soap to my wash mop, be sure to check out all those items at your local detail garage or on our website at 𝘃𝗵𝗿𝗄𝗏. As always, I'm Alex. It's been a pleasure once again being here with you guys today. Let me finish up touching up the rest of the shop truck. But as always, see you guys in the next one.